Elephants are majestic creatures. They are the largest land animals on Earth. Their size and strength are awe-inspiring. Elephants belong to the family Elephantidae. This family has a rich history, dating back millions of years. Today there are 3 recognized species of elephants. These are the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Each species has unique characteristics. However, they all share the same basic body plan. They have a massive head, a long trunk, large ears, and thick legs. African elephants are generally larger than their Asian counterparts. They also have larger ears. Their ears are shaped like the continent of Africa. Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears. They're also known for their distinctive twin-domed heads. Elephants are herbivores. This means they eat plants. Their diet consists of grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. Elephants are constantly eating. They need to consume large quantities of food to sustain their enormous size. The African bush elephant is the largest of all elephant species. It roams the savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa. These elephants have a distinctive grey skin. Both males and females possess tusks. These tusks are actually elongated incisor teeth. The African forest elephant is smaller than its bush counterpart. It inhabits the dense rainforests of Central Africa. Forest elephants have a straighter back and thinner tusks than bush elephants. Their tusks point downwards, which helps them navigate through the dense forest undergrowth. Asian elephants are found in South and Southeast Asia. They are smaller than African elephants and have smoother skin. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks. Female Asian elephants typically lack tusks altogether. Asian elephants have a more docile temperament compared to African elephants. They have been domesticated for centuries. They play a vital role in logging and religious ceremonies in some Asian cultures. Elephants possess several remarkable physical features. These adaptations help them thrive in their environments. One of the most iconic features is their trunk. The trunk is an elongated fusion of the nose and upper lip. It is a highly versatile organ. The trunk is used for a variety of tasks. Elephants use their trunks to breathe, smell, trumpet, drink, and grab objects. The trunk is also used for communication. Elephants greet each other by intertwining their trunks. They also use their trunks to caress their young. Another notable feature is their tusks. Tusks are made of ivory. They grow throughout an elephant's life. Elephants use their tusks for a variety of purposes. These include digging for water, stripping bark from trees, and defense against predators. Their large ears are also crucial for survival. The ears are filled with blood vessels. Elephants flap their ears to regulate their body temperature. The large surface area of the ears allows heat to dissipate quickly. This helps elephants stay cool in hot climates. Elephants are highly social animals. They live in tightly knit family groups called herds. These herds are matriarchal. This means they are led by the oldest and most experienced female, called the matriarch. The matriarch is responsible for the well-being of the entire herd. She makes decisions about where to find food, water, and shelter. She also guides the herd in times of danger. The other members of the herd are typically the matriarch's offspring, including her daughters, sons, and grandcalves. Male elephants leave the herd when they reach adolescence. They live solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. Males rejoin the herds only during the mating season. Female elephants, on the other hand, remain in their natal herds for life. The bonds between family members are incredibly strong. Elephants exhibit a wide range of emotions. They show affection, grief, joy, and anger. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including rumbles, trumpets, and screams. Elephants are highly intelligent creatures. They have excellent memories. They are known to remember individuals and places they have encountered many years ago. Elephants also exhibit a remarkable capacity for empathy. Elephants have been observed consoling grieving herd members. They have also been known to help injured or distressed individuals. This suggests that elephants are capable of understanding and responding to the emotional states of others. Studies have shown that elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors. This is a rare cognitive ability. It is shared by only a handful of other species, including humans, chimpanzees, and dolphins. Self-recognition is an indication of self-awareness. It suggests that elephants have a sense of their own individuality. Section 6. A world under threat: challenges to elephant survival. Elephants face numerous threats to their survival. These threats have led to a decline in elephant populations across Africa and Asia. One of the most pressing threats is habitat loss and fragmentation. As human populations expand, elephant habitats are being converted into farmland, settlements, and infrastructure. This leads to habitat fragmentation. This isolates elephant populations and disrupts their natural migration patterns. Another major threat is poaching. Elephants are poached for their ivory tusks. Ivory is highly valued in some cultures. It is used to make jewelry, ornaments, and other decorative items. The illegal wildlife trade is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is driven by demand from consumers in Asia and other parts of the world. Climate change is also a growing concern for elephant conservation. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns are altering elephant habitats. This makes it more difficult for elephants to find food and water. It increases the risk of drought and other extreme weather events. Section 7. Conservation efforts: a glimmer of hope. Despite these challenges, there is hope for elephant conservation. Conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working together to protect elephants and their habitats. Anti-poaching efforts are being intensified. This includes increasing the number of park rangers, improving law enforcement, and using technology to track poachers and monitor elephant populations. Habitat conservation is also crucial. This involves establishing protected areas, creating wildlife corridors to connect fragmented habitats, and promoting sustainable land use practices. Raising awareness about the plight of elephants is essential. Educating the public about the importance of elephant conservation can help reduce demand for ivory and other wildlife products. Section 8. Coexistence: finding harmony with elephants. Finding ways for humans and elephants to coexist peacefully is essential for the long-term survival of both species. In some areas, elephants and humans come into conflict over resources. Elephants may raid crops or damage property. This can lead to human-wildlife conflict. Strategies for mitigating human-elephant conflict include establishing buffer zones around protected areas, developing early warning systems to alert communities to elephant presence, and promoting alternative livelihoods that do not rely on elephant products. Community-based conservation programs are particularly important. Empowering local communities to manage and benefit from wildlife conservation efforts can foster a sense of ownership and responsibility. Section 9. Conclusion: our shared responsibility. Elephants are iconic animals. They play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are also a source of wonder and inspiration for people around the world. It is our shared responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on their habitats, and advocating for their protection, we can help create a future where elephants continue to roam free and thrive. The future of elephants is in our hands. Let us choose to be their guardians, not their executioners.